Finish with the step 24, and we come back with the pads a bit later to fix everything on the spots. Right now we go through the hole under the rear seats, and we have to put the wire on the right side of the vehicle over here till the front passenger seat. We have come here, and then a couple of plastic covers need to be removed, 29 steps, and after we start with the radio removing. Okay guys, right now we have to go through the old wire with our new, put inside under this plastic. Just follow the old wire, original one over here. Just put it. What I see here, there's a special cover for the wire, because this is let's say footstep. It's a pretty vulnerable place, and what I do, I put the wire through this cover. Maybe not. Okay. Okay guys, we go through the step 26, okay, and we have our wire over here. It's some kind of box, plastic box. We put the wire through this plastic box, okay, okay, and what we have our wire ready to go through the couple of steps. We finish with, we are here 27, step 27, right? Okay, step 28, we have to remove that plastic. Okay, plastic removed. Sorry guys. Okay, and we have to remove with the clips over there. Sorry. Okay, right now we remove this. Step 29, remove bottom panel. Okay, we remove this stuff. Okay guys, we are on the step 29. We finish with this one. This is our wire, and we go to remove bezel from the radio. We remove radio and remove the connector from the radio. After that, we go to the driver's side and remove plastic, left side plastic and the bottom plastic under the column, and put the wire through the one piece stays on the radio. We connect it to the radio connector, and the rest go under the. And with the bezel, it's pretty easy. You have to use the pry bar for the plastic. Not too easy. Oops. Good. Okay. Remove this connector. Was a little tap. Okay. It's down, and it has the screw. Okay guys, we pull it out. This. Okay, it's done, and right now I remove two clips from the bottom from here, and it looks like a couple of screw from here. Okay guys, we remove these connectors, and I think maybe it's enough, because we have to access to the connectors, these connectors over there. This one, I assume, yeah, no, this one, yeah, it's over here. Yep, this one we have to go here. Okay, it's been a bit later. Right now we come back to the radio. We remove this stuff and okay, we'll remove this. And right now we connect three these wires to the radio. Okay, guys, right now we on a step 36. I afraid to remove this this panel. This looks very fragile, and I think this wires comes to the pins through without removing this. We'll try. Okay, this is the connector, and this is the pins 31, 32, 33 from those side. I show you. This is 31, 32, 33. Okay, 31, pin 31 is gray blue. This is a gray blue. Okay, and it comes like that. Okay, we'll try. Okay, we'll see what's going on without removing this panel. Okay, guys, just be careful, and they're pretty hard to explain, but you have to put something inside over here and press to release this one, and very carefully remove this one as well. Okay, over here this is a slot, just press here, and this piece, red piece over here, you see. Okay, anyway, okay guys, we insert gray blue, pin 31, 32, gray orange, and bare 33. This is gray orange, and orientation this one to the bottom has been like that. Okay, and this is a pin 32. Without removing this red plastic you can't install it, you have to remove it. Okay, and bare 33. Okay guys, it's done. It's over there, all three on this, everything over here. Just okay, step 39, we go through with that wire. It go through the, okay, it's over there. We put it here. Good. All that wires, 1, 2, everything here. Okay, it's okay, and we go through with these wires. Okay, this one, and one more. Okay, B. Right now we interested with the B because that one comes with two this, and we need this B, this one. Okay, and we looking for this connector, D2762D, and the guidance lines. Okay, let's go there. 41. Okay, we remove this from body control module. We have to remove these lower connectors. It's over here. And to remove, what do you have to do? Okay, we have to cut, first of all, we have to cut this plastic band. Okay, this plastic band first should be cutted, otherwise you can't remove it. Okay guys, it's I removed this connector from the body control module BCM, and you have to cut the plastic band around this stuff, and after just lift up blue lever and remove it from the body control module. And what we do have, if factory wire is present in pin 26, cut the terminal end of harness B. It's our harness B. It's our, okay, this is harness B. They suggest to cut this one and follow splice procedures on the next page using the splice parts E provided in a kit. It is small, this one, this connector. Right now we have to check the pin number 26, okay, and this is our B, orange violet, and pin 26, let's check it. Pin 26, it should be here. View it from the wire end. Oh, okay, this cover removable. Okay guys, we have to release this housing, and we have to pull it this notch, okay, and same on this side, okay, like that from the both side, and it should just pull it slightly. Oops, and we removed. Okay, right now we are good to check the pin number 26. Right now we can take a look from the wire side, from wire end, right? And wire end will be the wire end over here, and pin 26 I assume will be this 1 2 3 4 5. It will be 1 2 3 4 5. This is number 26. Okay, and let's take a look what we have to do with this one. Okay, remember 1 2 3 4 after this. Okay, it's 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5, right? If we're on the right side, let's check again. They show us, okay, like that, right? Yeah, this is, yeah, this side, okay, and if we look in this part over here, okay, again, step 42. Note, if factory wire is present in pin 26, cut off the terminal end of harness B, this one, and follow splice procedures on the next page using splice parts E provided in the kit. Okay, in my case, we don't have the factory wire on the pin 26. It's mean I just get in wire B to the connector, and that's it, and put it back. Okay, again, this is pin B, A 1 2 3 4 B. Okay, and it's counts like that. Just